Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting platforms, which is Docyt and FreshBooks. So let's get started with a head-to-head comparison about the two platforms. So to get started, Docyt and FreshBooks cater to different accounting needs, but both offer a streamlined solution for small to mid-sized businesses. Docyt shines with its AI-powered automation, handling bookkeeping, expense categorization, real-time reporting, and syncing transactions from multiple sources. It's built for hand-off accounting, and it's especially useful if you want real-time financial visibility with minimal manual work. FreshBooks, on the other hand, is user-friendly and tailored for freelancers, solopreneurs, and service-based businesses. It offers a strong invoicing, time tracking, and a client management tools with a light accounting features built in one. So if you prioritize automation, real-time insight, and reducing manual keeping, Docyt delivers a more robust back-end. But if your business depends on project-based billing, invoicing, and a client interaction, FreshBooks remains a favorite for simplicity and a client-focused workflow. So here's a very conclusion. Choose Docyt if you want AI to take over your books, and choose FreshBooks if invoicing, time tracking, and simplicity are your top priorities. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.